In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money into MEXC. If you don't have an account yet, click the link below the video description to access the registration page. The interface is simple. To register, just enter your email or phone number, create a password, and click register. Once done, you'll see the main dashboard. Go to the wallet section where I currently have 193 DT. To deposit, click deposit. If you have crypto on another exchange, you can transfer it here. Click deposit, select USDT, then choose the network. You can select BSC, which is Binance's network. For TRC20, it's the most popular option. You can choose BSC or TRC. BSC uses Binance's BNB Smart Chain network, which is cheaper. Select the right network and it'll generate an address for you. Copy it, then go to another exchange like Binance. Click Withdraw, choose the BSC network, select BNB Smart Chain, enter the address and USDT amount you want to transfer. Wait for it to process. If you want to deposit fiat money, click Deposit or Buy Crypto. There's P2P trading for person-to-person transactions, or you can use your Visa or Mastercard. You can opt for a person-to-person transaction to buy USDT. You'll transfer money from your bank to the seller. Once they receive it, they'll process the order and USDT will be credited to your account. In this example, I'll click on this method, which requires account verification first. You need to verify your account before you can top up, or you can just click here to quickly buy. After that, choose the amount you want to purchase. For instance, if I want to buy $100, I'll enter $100 here, and it will show you the amount you need to pay in your currency. Then it will suggest a payment method for you. After that, you just need to press to buy here, agree, and continue by clicking continue. This account of mine hasn't been verified, so I haven't made the purchase yet. The amount of money in my wallet comes from using a method of depositing from another platform. I use OneChan, and this deposit method also requires account verification before you can proceed. don't forget to use the MEXC account registration link below to get a bonus of $800 for new account creators and a refund of the trading fee. Get a 10% trading fee rebate for sports and 10% for futures.